Getting in on the viral nature of social networking is very easy if you allow your users to invite their friends to use your application. An invitation that comes from a friend obviously carries more weight in most cases than an invitation that just comes in a blind email. So it's important to add invitations such as this to your application so that someone who is using the application can invite their friends to use the application as well. And you do this by putting some interface element on a page. Here it's on the first page of the application, and it's a link here. And what will happen when I click on it is that I will go to another page, which I've called invitation.php, and on that page I will have a Facebook interface element that lets me select up to, in this case, 4 of my friends by clicking on their pictures and inviting them to use the application. And I'm going to go through this in several different ways because there are a number of ways in which you can construct this. Here I'm using a multi-friend selector where I can look at several friends at the same time and their photos if indeed they have any. And as the developer of the application, I am adding this text here, invite friends to add Main Street pics so that they can share their own pics with you. And if I select one or more of my friends from here, I can now send a Main Street Pics invitation. And this is all Facebook. I'm just asking Facebook to set up this interface. So I'll say, yes, I want to send the invitation, and I will get a preview of the invitation that is going to be sent. So when it is constructed, you will see that I can now choose whether or not to send this invitation to the people that I selected here in this interface. And what they will receive is a message that says you have a Main Street Pics invitation. And this is the user sent an invitation using the application's name. Now, I want to point out at this point that there are 2 strings of text involved here. This is the string that appears on the user's interface. It's the heading for the invitation. What I, as a user who am inviting people, see as the title of this dialogue, invite friends to add Main Street Pics. The invitation that is sent to my friends will have this information in it, which says to the friend, to the invitee, add the app to find more pics, make your own list, and browse friends' pics. So there are 2 separate sections of text, the text for the invitee and the text for the inviter. Now I'm going to cancel this, and I'm going to skip this, and now we're going to go back to the beginning and show you several different ways in which you can compose this interface.